We started this process of building our home in 2021. We finally found a piece of property in 2023. We were looking for something that was surrounded by nature and was more secluded. We're acting as our own general contractor with the owner-builder process. We're subcontracting most of the work out, but we're doing some of the work ourselves. It took us about a year going back and forth with the county and our environmental consultant before we were actually able to clear the land, and now we're in the process of building. We're building an ICF home because we want to have something that is both durable and incredibly energy efficient. This is something that we intend to pass down to our kids and have them pass down to their kids. We look forward to sharing this process with you as we go along. Come back for the next video where we'll cover trusses and you'll find out what I'm doing with the slab.